Today is December the 6th, and we just finished a lesson on measuring the spread using the 5-number summary in order to draw a box in Whisker Plot. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you notice that the numbers aren't in order, so we got to put them in order. So let's see, start with the lowest number first, and the lowest number first looks like it's 25.8, so we got 25.8. The next number is 26. The next number is 28.2, looks like 28.2. Okay, the next number is 29.5. 29.5. After that, it's 29.8. 29.8. Okay, what else we got? We got 31.4. 31.4. Okay, looks like the 32s are next. So we got a 32.5 and a 32.7. 32.5. 32.7. All right. Next thing we got is the 33.5. 33.5. Now we could do the 35s, and we got a 35.4 and a 35.8. 35.4 and 35.8. 36.5. Okay, 36.5. 37.5 and 38.4. 37.5 and 38.7. And finally, our 40.1. 40.1. All right, let's see how many units we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a total of 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Looks like they're all accounted for. So if I got 15, then I want 7 on the left, 7 on the right, and whatever's in the middle is going to be my middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right here is going to be my middle. Okay, now let's go ahead and start finding things. So the first thing we want to find is I'll change my color here, minimum, and the minimum is the lowest number, 25.8. Then we want to find the Q1, which right now we don't know what it is, so we'll have to look for it. Okay, and then the next one we're going to find is Q2, which, by the way, Q2 is the median. Okay, so for Q2, we're going to use 32.7. By the way, I'm just color coding them so you can see them easier. The next one would be Q3. And again, I don't quite know what Q3 is, so I'm not going to worry about it just yet. So Q3. And then the last one is going to be my maximum. And for that one, all I need is the one on the end at 40.1. Okay, so let's find Q2. Okay, Q2 actually lives on the left side, right here. Okay, and I count how many I have. And remember, I had 7. So this one in the middle is actually Q2. Excuse me, a Q1. So it's 29.5. Okay, Q3 lives on the right side of Q2. And again, it's the median of the right side, so it's right in the middle. And what's right in the middle is 36.5. 36.5. So we now have our 5-number summary. Really, it's that easy. So we turn around and we're going to go ahead and start with our min and our max because they're the easiest ones to graph. So my min is located at 25.8, which is as close to 26 as you could possibly get. So I'm just going to put a big old dot right there. Okay, that's a big dot. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to put my max dot, and my max dot is located at 40.1. It's just a little bit past 40. So I'm going to put a big old dot right there too. Not as big as that one I put on the other side. There you go. That looks nice. All right, now instead of dots, we're going to use lines. So okay, that's not a straight line, that's a straight line. Okay, remember, I'm doing this by hand, and if I touch the screen, it all goes to bad. It all goes really bad. Okay, now the next one is 32.7. 32.7 is as close to 33, well, pretty darn close to 33. And why is this one so thin? I don't know. Okay, now the next one is Q3, and that's 36 and a half, which is right around here. 30. Look how thin that one is, too. Something's up. I don't know what it is. I don't make this stuff up. Okay, now we are going to now connect these three bars together with a solid line on top and a solid line on bottom. All right, we're almost done. Now we need to shoot a line from here to connect these, and a line from here to connect these. And congratulations, you just made a box and whisker plot. Woohoo! All right, I'll be doing another one here in just a few minutes.